So the Renault Zoe, after starting, tells you the battery's low in the key card. Pop to your local supermarket, buy a CR2032 and fit it yourself. So how to change the battery in the remote of the Zoe. So with the single hole at the top, you want to then press away and down and it clicks. It's a bit stiff, it clicks open, and then take the cover off. And there's the emergency key, and here underneath this little flap which you can pop off is the battery, and it's a CR2032. So there's a little tab there. You might find it useful to get a fine screwdriver or a knife and pop out the old one. So what you want to do is use some scissors to open this tamper-proof packaging, so children don't open it by mistake and swallow these batteries. There we go. And then obviously a reversal of what we've done earlier. So we want the writing facing upwards, slide it under that slot, pop it down till it clicks, pop the cover back on, which I think is that way, till it clicks, and place the cover back on, which I think is that way. There we go, job done. And now we're back in the car with the new battery in the key fob. Let's see if all the warning lights have gone. Vehicle checks, risk of black ice, and then it came up with low battery, didn't it, after this one. So let's see. There you go, everything's okay. Result.